2025 Mercedes-Benz G580, the pinnacle of luxury and power. Introduction. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G580 redefines what it means to drive in style and sophistication. This iconic luxury SUV combines unmatched performance with cutting-edge technology and design, bringing you an experience that's as thrilling as it is refined. Whether navigating city streets or taking on rugged terrain, the G580 is engineered to perform in every setting, offering a dynamic blend of power, comfort, and class. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 G580 houses a powerful 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating horsepower and torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and a sophisticated 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, the G580 offers seamless acceleration and extraordinary handling. Whether accelerating on the highway or tackling off-road challenges, this SUV excels with precision and grace, making every drive a thrill. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 G580 commands attention from every angle. Bold and muscular, its timeless design features an updated grille, sleek LED lighting, and a rugged stance that showcases its strength and elegance. The signature boxy silhouette remains, while enhanced details like chrome accents and elegant alloy wheels reflect the SUV's luxurious heritage. Every curve and contour has been designed to evoke a sense of power, class, and sophistication. Interior design. Step inside the 2025 G580, and you're immediately enveloped in an aura of luxury. The cabin exudes refinement with premium materials such as hand-stitched leather, polished wood accents, and brushed metal trim. A spacious layout offers comfort for all passengers, while the latest in tech features include a high-definition touchscreen, voice-activated controls, and a Burmester sound system. Whether you're enjoying a smooth city drive or a rugged adventure, the interior ensures every journey is a lavish experience. Fuel efficiency. Despite its formidable performance, the 2025 G580 offers impressive fuel efficiency for an SUV of its size and power. Thanks to its advanced engine technology and adaptive transmission, the G580 is engineered to optimize fuel usage without sacrificing performance. This makes it not only a powerful ride but also a more efficient one, allowing you to explore further without frequent pit stops. Outro. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G580 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A perfect fusion of power, elegance, and innovation, it represents the future of luxury SUVs. Whether you're conquering city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the G580 promises an unmatched driving experience that combines refinement, versatility, and performance. With this SUV, you don't just drive, you arrive.